This is why I know a lot of guys swear by it, but this is why I don't use brake or run unless you absolutely have to. You look ahead down the road and then you got this. We got Big Yellow, the beast, back to Project 205. So I got some updates for you. We'll go over the next phases. I was able to get a transport quicker than we thought, so that worked out really good because we're supposed to get more rain in next week, and today's Wednesday. So nice day for a walk here back to the truck. I'll tell you what's going on. All right, we're getting a bid on some work. I'm gonna break out the tractor and the excavator today, start cleaning up the main driveway. Oh, it's been a while. Been a while since we've been in here. Rock and roll, baby. All right, I'm gonna hire out this, clean up this driveway section here. It's pretty narrow, it's pretty hard. They're gonna come in. We're not gonna have them crown this. It's gonna go from left to right because that's the way it's all pitched right now. The water needs to come off of this right side, so he's got to cut a channel over there. And you can see here all the breaker run, the big stone, that's gonna want to come up on them. Again, that's why I don't generally use that. But they're going to reshape it, regrade this, and we're going to drop spread about 4 inches of gravel on this whole rough stretch. And I'm going to go and just cut the good stretch out there in the sun with the tractor and the TR3. So this section here, I'm going to have them tune this up. It's not nearly as bad, but there again, you see all that breaker run wanting to come up. So this will be a whole new driveway. It'll look beautiful. And I'm going to start in on this end up here, which just has a few potholes. It's still got stone on top. Although once I get to the bottom of the pothole, I hope I ain't pulling up breaker run because I see a 3-inch stone in there right now. We'll find out here in a minute. This is why I know a lot of guys swear by it, but this is why I don't use brake or run unless you absolutely have to in soft ground. You look ahead down the road years and then you got this. Luckily there's only a few I'm pulling up so I could get rid of them. Alright, change of plans. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the potholes and we'll bring fresh gravel in. It's just there ain't no stone left. So I'll just cut all these potholes, I'll lay them like this, and then next week when they bring in gravel, we'll put fresh coat on it. right, here's the first entrance. I'm gonna go ahead and hire this out. Get that all nice and gravel looking like this one up here. Just like that. Okay, so for today's episode, we're going to wind up here, but man, we got a lot going on. I've been on the phone the last 2 days. We're going to hire a crew to help us get this stuff done. So this gravel road I'm working on right now was just a little lane. I just posted this video yesterday on, I think on this channel, but I'll link it in the description. So now I'm going to hire also a guy to build gates. We're going to put, you know, once we start getting these roads nice and wide, we're going to bring gravel in. We're going to make them nice. We're going to cut, you know, smaller lots so people can afford a piece of the living the dream. And we're going to have gates in front of them. You know, the stuff that people are afraid of, you know, when they look at a raw property and they just don't know how to do it. They don't know how much it would cost to hire it. Well, we do it for them. Because, you know, we know the vision that somebody wants to buy a piece of land. They want to come up to the driveway, have a nice gate, unlock the gate, roll in your private road. It's only you, your very private road, and enjoy your property. Whether it's 7 acres, 10, 50, 20, 80, or 120, the principles are the same. So that's why we do this stuff on the front end, because we've learned it over the years, and people really appreciate that when they come to look at land. So that's today's update. Thanks for joining us. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, because I'm talking a lot of changes coming down the pike here in the next 2 weeks. Thanks a lot.